how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain application of integrations, case and previous year questions. Okay, now explain question number 1 from 2020. So what is given? The area of the region bounded by y square equal to 8x and y is equal to 2x. Okay. From this y square equal to 8x, first we have to find x value. Y square by 8. Okay. What is line given? Y is equal to 2x. From this line x is equal to y by 2. Okay, x is equal to y square by 8 and x is equal to y by 2. Therefore, x equal to y square by 8 equal to y by 2. Now x equal to this plus y by 2, bring the left side. Y square minus 8 minus y by 2. Okay, let us take equation 1. On comparing the equation 1 with x is equal to a y square plus by plus c, where a b c values, a value 1 by 8, y square, coefficient of y square, b value coefficient of y minus 1 by 2, constant 0. So a is equal to 1 by 8, b is equal to minus 1 by 2, c value is 0. Okay, we have area of the region bounded by given y square is equal to 8x and y square is equal to 2x formula, delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. Okay, first we have to find delta value. B square minus 4a is delta formula. B square, this is minus 1 by 2 whole square, 4 into a into 0. So this will be 1 by 4. Okay, so 1 by 4 power 3 by 2. This whole divided by 6 into a square. A value 1 by 8 whole square. Okay, 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 square power 3 by 2 by 6 into 1 by 8 whole square. These two get cancelled. 1 by 8 get cancelled. So 1 by 6 by 8. This will be 8 by 6 equal to 4 by 3 square units. So what is the answer? 4 by 3. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2020 question. The area of the region bounded by y is equal to 2x plus 1, x-axis and ordinates x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1. Okay. Now on comparing y is equal to 2x plus 1 with y is equal to mx plus c, where c value 1, where c is y intercept. Y intercept is 1. So let us draw x and y axis. So this is y is equal to 2x plus 1, where y intercept is 1. This point is on y axis x coordinate 0, 0, 1. Okay, this line cuts the x axis at a point. Okay, let P. So let P be the point of intersection of x and y is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay. On x axis y coordinate 0. If y value is 0, then we have to find x value. So x value we get minus 1 by 2. This point is minus 1 by 2. And x axis ordinates x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1, passing through the minus 1, and which is parallel to y axis. X is equal to 1. This x is equal to 1 is passing through the 1, 0, which is parallel to y axis. But our target is the area of the region y is equal to x plus 1, x axis and ordinates x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1. Okay, this part let us take A1. This area A2. Okay, therefore required area A is equal to A1 plus A2, where x limits are minus 1 to minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 to 1. Okay, first we have to find A1. So A1 is in below x axis. Okay, so minus integral minus 1 to minus 1 by 2. Formula is y dx plus from minus 1 to minus 1 by 2 to 1, minus 1 by 2 to 1 y dx. This a2 is on y axis, on above x axis. Okay, so this is plus. So minus integral minus 1 to minus 1 by 2, where y value given 2x plus 1. Okay, this is minus 1 to minus 1 by 2, 2x plus 1 dx, minus, so plus minus 1 by 2 to 1, 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, let us do simplify. This answer will be 5 by 2. Okay, so minus 1 to minus 1 by 2, 2x plus 1. 2 constant, integral x dx, x square by 2 plus 1 dx value x. Okay, as well as minus 1 by 2 to 1. Okay, 2 constant where x integration is x square by 2 plus 1 dx value x. After simplification, this value will be 5 by 2. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019. So what is it given? The area of the region above x-axis included between y square equal to x. This is the right side parabola, and the circle x square plus y square equal to 2x. Okay, we have circle equation x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0. The center will be coefficient of x by minus 2, coefficient of y by minus 2. This is formula. Coefficient of x is minus 2 by minus 2. So y term is not there, 0 by minus 2, coefficient of y. So center is 1, 0. Let us draw x and y axis. Okay, what be the point of intersection of x and y axis? Let us observe the circle passing through the origin, because origin satisfied this equation. Center at 1, 0. Okay, the area of the region above x axis included between y square equal to x. Y square is equal to x. This is the right side parabola. Y square is equal to x. This is our target. Area between parabola and circle. Okay, so required area A is equal to, okay, so area bounded by parabola and circle. This part area equal to 1 by 4 times of area of circle, 1 by 4 times of area of circle pi r square minus, okay, area of O. Let us take this point B, O B C O, area of the region O B C O. Okay, so 1 by 4 times of pi into where r value, so radius is 1. Okay, 1 minus area of the region O B C O. So this is nothing but, let us take x limits, where x limits are 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1, formula is y dx. So pi by 4 minus integral 0 to 1. Okay, y value from this parabola, y value root x. So root x dx. Okay, okay, therefore required area is equal to pi into 1 by 4 minus integral 0 to 1 root x dx. Pi by 4 root x, integral 0 to 1 x to the power 1 by 2 dx, x to the power 1 by 2 integration 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 from limits 1 to 0. Okay, pi by 4 minus this value 2 by 3, this is 3 by 2, okay, 2 by 3 into, on x place and right upper limit 1. This is answer, 5 by 3, 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3. What is the answer? Square units. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019 question. The area of the region bounded by y-axis, y is equal to cos x, y is equal to sin x, where x lies between 0 to pi by 2. Okay, let us draw x and y-axis. Y is equal to cos x. This is passing through the 1. Okay, passing through the 1. This value minus pi by 2. Cos 9 minus 90 0 plus cos 90 0. Cos 90 0. Y is equal to sin x. This is passing through the origin. This is minus 180. plus 180. Okay. The area of the region bounded by y-axis. This is y-axis. Y is equal to cos x. This is y is equal to cos x. This is sin x. Okay, and sin x between 0 to pi by 2. Between 0 to pi by 2. This point is pi by 4. The point of intersection of sin x and cos x. If sin x is equal to cos x, then x will be pi by 4. Sin pi by 4, cos pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. Therefore, tan x is equal to 1, x is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Required area A is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. Above curve minus below curve. What is above curve? Cos x minus what is below curve? Sin x. This is answer. So integral cos x value is sin x from limits pi by 4 to 0. Integral sin x we get minus cos x pi by 4 to 0. Okay, on expression write pi by 4. Sin 45 value 1 by root 2. Sin 0 0. Minus into minus plus. On expression we should write pi by 4 cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 minus cos 0 value 1. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2 value root 2 minus 1. Okay, square units. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2 is nothing but root 2 minus 1 square units. Okay, this part is required. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2018 question. The area of the region bounded by y is equal to cos x between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi. Okay. Let us draw x and y axis. O be the origin. So minus 90, this is plus 90, 180, 3 pi by 2. So cos minus 90 value 0, cos 0 value 1, cos 90 value 0, cos 3 pi by 2 value 0. Okay. This is y is equal to cos x graph. What is our target? The area of the region bounded by y is equal to cos x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi. X is equal to 0 is nothing but y axis. X is equal to pi. This is x is equal to pi parallel to y axis. Okay. These two parts our required area. Okay, A is equal, required area A is equal, let us take this is A1, A2, A1 plus A2. Where A1 is above x axis, let us take y dx from limits 0 to pi by 2. Plus, okay, this A2 is below x axis, let us take minus cos x dx from limits pi by 2 to pi. Okay. In this y value, y place in, we should write cos x dx. So integral cos x value, we get sin x, limits pi by 2 to 0, plus into minus minus, integral cos x value sin x, limits pi to pi by 2. Okay, sin 90 value 1, minus sin 0 0, minus of sin 180 0, sin 90 value 1. So answer will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 square units. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2018. The area of the region bounded by y is equal to x axis and ordinates x is equal to minus 1 and 2. Okay. So let us draw x and y axis. So y is equal to x. So y equal to x is passing through the origin. Okay. And x axis, ordinates x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 passing through the minus 1 0, which is parallel to y axis. X is equal to 2. This is also passing through the 2 0, which is parallel to y axis. Okay. So what is required? The area of the region bounded by line x axis and x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. Okay. So let us take A1. This is A1. This is A2. Okay. So this is origin is 0 0. Required area A is equal to, okay, let us take x limits from -1 to 0 and 0 to 2. So -1 to 0. Okay, this is A1 is below x axis. So let us take minus y dx from 0 to 1, 0 to 2. This A2 is on above x axis. So let us take plus y dx. Okay, so minus 1 constant, -1 to 0, where y value given x. So x dx plus 0 to 2 x dx y value. Okay, now minus of x dx integration x square by 2 from limits 0 to -1. This is x square by 2, limits are 2 to 0. Okay, minus of, put on x place 0, this will be 0, minus, formula minus, on replacing x by -1, it will going to be 1 by 2. Okay, on replacing x by 2, this is 2 square by 2 is 2. Put x place 0, it will be 0. Okay, this minus into minus plus 1 by 2 plus 2, it will going to be 5 by 2. 5 by 2 square units. Okay, look at the next question. This is from 2017. The area of the region bounded by x square equal to y and the line y is equal to 16. Okay, let us draw x and y axis. X square equal to y. This is upward parabola which is passing through the origin. Y is equal to 16. It is a straight line which is parallel to x axis. Okay, this point, let us take P. P is equal to 0, 16. We have y limits. From 0 to 16. Okay. So required area between parabola and the line. This part is required area equal 2 times of area of one part. 2 times of area of one part. O, this is OQPO. 2 times of area of the region OQPO. Okay, 2 times of, we have y limits by using formula integral x dy. X dy from limits 0 to 16. So 2 times of integral 0 to 16, where x value, x square equal to y, x is equal to root y. So root y dy. So 2 times of root y, y to the power 1 by 2. So integral y to the power 1 by 2, we have y to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. So limits from 16 to 0. Okay, 2 times of, first on y place in, we should write upper limit 16, 16 power 3 by 2 by denominator 3 by 2. Okay, on y place in 0, this will be 0. Okay, this is it will going to be 4 by 3 into 16. This 16 can be written as 4 square power 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 4 cube into 4. Okay, 256 by 3 square units. Okay, moving to next question. So 2017, this question, the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to cos x, x equals 0 and x is equal to pi. So this statement already explained. Okay, so now explain question number 1 from 2016. The area lying between the curves y square equal to 2x and y is equal to x. Okay, so what is given? Y square equal to 2x. From this curve, first we have to find x value, y square by 2. Okay, so what is the line? X is equal to y given. Okay, x is equal to y square by 2 and x is equal to y. So therefore x is equal to y square by 2 equal to y. This plus y bring the left side. So x is equal to y square by 2 minus y. Okay. So let us take equation 1. On comparing the equation 1 with x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. Okay. Where a, b, c values are a value 1 by 2. We get a value 1 by 2. B value minus 1 and C value 0. Okay. So required area. We have one formula delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. Where delta value b square minus 4ac. So b square value minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a into c. It will going to be 1. Okay. So delta value 1. 1 power 3 by 2 is 1. 6 into a square. A value 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. It will going to be 4 by 6 equal to 2 by 3 square units. So this is answer. Okay, moving to next question from 2015. Area bounded by y is equal to x cube, y is equal to 8 and x is equal to 0. Okay, if x equal to 0, then find out y value. Y is equal to x cube, y value 0. Okay, we have y limits 0 to 8. We have y limits from 0 to 8. Okay, we have y limits by using formula x dy. What is the formula? X dy, integral x dy. Okay, so required area integral x dy from limits 0 to 8. Integral 0 to 8, where x value y is equal to x cube, where x is equal to x cube, cube root on both sides, y to the power 1 by 3 is equal to x. So x is equal to y to the power 1 by 3. So y to the power 1 by 3, integration of y to the power 1 by 3, y to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 from limits 8 to 0. It will going to be on y place 8, right? Y 8 to the power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. So 8 2 cube power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 is nothing but into 3 by 4. 1 3 get cancelled. Okay, it will going to be 16 into 3 by 4. 4 they get cancelled. So answer is 12 square units. Okay, moving to next question. The area of the region bounded by two parabolas y is equal to x square and x is equal to y square. This is from 2014 question. Okay, we have one formula. The area of the region bounded by two parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by is 16ab by 3 square units. What is the formula? 16ab by 3. So what is given? Y is equal to x square. So y is equal to x square. On comparing, x square is equal to y. Okay, x square is equal to y. On comparing the equation, x square is equal to y with x square is equal to 4by. Okay, where 4b equal to 1, y coefficient 4b in this 1, therefore 4b is equal to 1, therefore b get 1 by 4. Okay, next, on comparing the equation, what is the second equation? X is equal to y square. Okay, this is nothing but y square is equal to x with y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, where 4a equal to 1, x coefficient 4a is equal to 1. 4a equal to 1, therefore a is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So what is the formula? 16ab by 3. Therefore, the required area is equal to 16 into a value. We got 1 by 4. B value 1 by 4 by 3. Okay, 16 get cancelled. So what is the answer? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 square units. So what is the answer? 1 by 3 square units. Okay, look at the next question. This is from 2014. The area of the region bounded by the lines y is equal to mx, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x-axis is 6 square units. Then we have to find m value. Okay, so what is given? Area is given 6 square units. Okay, we have area formula integral y dx. So by using x limits is equal to 6 square units. Okay, integral where x limits are 1 to 2 given 1 to 2, where y value given mx equal to 6. So in this m constant, integral x dx, we have x square by 2 from limits 2 to 1. It will going to be m into, put x on expression 2, right? 2 square by 2 minus 1 square by 2 minus 1 square by 2 equal to 6. It will going to be 4 minus 1, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 equal to 6. 3 1 3 2 get cancelled. M is equal to, so m value we have got 4. Okay, moving to next question. So this is from 2013. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x by 3, x-axis, and the lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3 pi. So from x limits 0 to 3 pi. So required area A is equal to integral. We have formula y dx. Okay, by using x limits 0 to 3 pi. 0 to 3 pi. So integral 0 to 3 pi. Y value given sin x by 3. Integral sin x by 3. We have minus cos x by 3 into, so differentiation of x by 3 1 by 3, integration is into 3. So integration is into 3 from limits 3 pi to 0. So minus 3 constant, on expression right 3 pi, upper limit 3 pi by 3, minus on replacing x by right lower limit 0, 0 by 3 0. So minus 3 into cos 180, cos 180 value minus 1. So cos 0 by 3, this is cos 0 value 1, so minus 1. Okay, so minus 3 into minus 2, it will going to be 6 square units. Okay, look at the next question. This is from 2011. The area between y is equal to mx square, x is equal to my square is 1 by 4 square units. Then we have to find m value. Okay, we have one formula. The area between y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by. What is the formula? 16ab by 3. Okay, so y is equal to mx square. Let us take equation 1. Y is equal to mx square, that implies x square is equal to 1 by m times of y. Okay, so let us take equation 1. So on comparing the equation 1 with x square is equal to 4by. Therefore 4b is equal to 1 by m. Therefore b is equal to 1 by 4m. Okay. Okay, next what is given equation? X is equal to my square. X is equal to my square, that implies y square is equal to 1 by m times of x. On comparing, y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, where 4a value, therefore 4a is equal to 1 by m, where m is equal, where a is equal to 1 by 4m. Okay, we have got ab values. What is the formula? 16ab by 3. Okay, therefore, so area is given 1 by 4 square units. So area formula is 16 AB by 3. So 16 AB by 3 equal to 1 by 4. Okay, our target is M value. Okay, we have AB values. So what is the area given? 1 by 4 square units. So 16 into, where A value we have got 1 by 4m, B value 1 by 4m by 3 equal to 1 by 4. In this 4 get cancelled. 4 4 is 16, 16, 16 get cancelled. So 1 by m square equal to, so let us do cross product 3 by 4. Okay, m square is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore m is equal to plus or minus 2 by root 3. This is the answer. Okay, moving to next question. This is from 2009. The area bounded between the parabola and the line. Okay, from this parabola, y square is equal to 4x. First we have to find x value. X is equal to y square by 4. Okay, from this line, y is equal to 2x minus 4. We have to find x value. Minus 4 bring the left side. Y plus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to y plus 4 by 2. Okay, let us observe these two equations. So both are equal. X is equal to y square by 4 equal to y plus 4 by 2. So therefore x is equal to y square by 4 equal to y plus 4 by 2. This positive value bring the left side. It will going to be y square by 4 minus y by 2 minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2 value 2. So let us take equation 1. This equation 1 on comparing x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. On comparing the equation 1 with x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. Okay, where ABC values, a value 1 by 4 and b value minus 1 by 2, constant c value minus 2. So a is equal to coefficient of y square 1 by 4, b value coefficient of y minus 1 by 2, constant is minus 2. Okay, so area, required area formula is delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square, where delta is b square minus 4ac. Okay, we have to find b square minus 4ac. B value 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 4 into a value 1 by 4, c value minus 2. So it will going to be 1 by 4 minus into minus plus 1 by 4 plus 2. It will going to be 9 by 4. Okay, delta value 9 by 4 power 3 by 2. 6 into a value, a square. So we have a value 1 by 4 whole square. So 9 by 4, it will going to be 3 by 2 whole square power 3 by 2 by 6 by 16. Okay, these two get cancelled. It will going to be 27 by 8, 3 by 2 whole cube, 27 by 8. Denominator 6 by 16 written as 16 by 6. 8 2 j get cancelled. 2 1 j, 2 3 j, 3 1 j, 3 9 j. What is answer? 9 square units. So 9 square units correct answer. Okay, moving to next question. This is from 2008. The area of the region bounded by y is equal to 2x minus x square and the x-axis. Okay, we have one formula. The area of the region bounded by y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c and x-axis. X-axis is nothing but y is equal to 0. Okay, is delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square, where delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, where ABC values, what is given equation? Y is equal to 2x minus x square. On comparing, y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Where ABC values are, a is equal to x square coefficient a in this minus 1, b coefficient of xb in this 2, constant is 0. Okay. First we have to find delta value. B square minus 4ac. So b value 2 square minus 4 into a into c value 0. So delta value we have got 4. So what is the formula? Delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. So delta value 4 power 3 by 2 by 6 into a. A value minus 1, a square is plus 1. So 4 power 3 by 2. This is 2 square power 3 by 2 by 6. 1, 2 get cancelled. 8 by 6. 8 by 6 is nothing but 2, 4, 2, 3, 4 by 3 square units. 4 by 3 square units. Okay, look at the next question. This is from 2017. The area bounded by the curve and y-axis. Y-axis is nothing but x is equal to 0. Okay. We have one formula. The area bounded by the curve and y-axis. The area bounded by the curve, x is equal to ay square plus by plus c and y-axis. So y-axis is nothing but x is equal to 0. So what is the formula? Delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. Where delta value b square minus 4ac. Okay. So what is given? X is equal to 4 minus y square. Okay. Given curve, x is equal to 4 minus y square. On comparing, x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. Where ABC values, y square coefficient is a in this minus 1, y coefficient b. In this y term is not there, b is equal to 0, constant value 4. Okay, first we have to find delta value. Okay, delta value formula b square minus 4ac. B value 0, 0 square minus 4 into a into c. It will going to be 16. Okay, so what is the formula? A is equal to delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. So delta value 16 power 3 by 2 by 6 into a value minus 1 whole square. 16 can be written as 4 square power 3 by 2 by 6. Okay, 2 get cancelled. 4 cube 64 by 6. It will going to be 32 by 3. 32 is 2, 3 is cancel. 32 by 3 square units. What is the answer? 32 by 3. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.